Technology in motion. Witness the power of modern engineering in action as machines conquer challenges. From cutting-edge precision to raw strength, this is innovation at its peak. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Let's dive right in. Even when you're as cautious as possible, trees always seem to find a way to complicate things, and they'll hit your wallet hard too. Looks like someone forgot to shout timber. Honestly, some combinations just don't make sense, like ladders and chainsaws, for example. Golden sunlight kisses the Sierra Nevada as the sound of a saw whispers through a towering Jeffrey pine, a bittersweet symphony, a farewell to a forest giant, heralding the birth of countless new trees. Prepare a rope long enough when pulling down a tree. Behold this homemade mini chainsaw mill. Resourceful and efficient, it maximizes functionality while minimizing material usage. It's a brilliant solution for any DIY enthusiast. I'm already planning my build. Who's joining me? This Komatsu 895 is an absolute beast. In the snow, it's like watching a monster truck gracefully maneuver through a winter wonderland. The power, the precision, the sheer dominance, it's mind-blowing. And the operator, sitting pretty in a cabin more luxurious than my living room. Komatsu has truly raised the bar, folks. This machine is the future of forestry. The Carlton SP6016 stump grinder is taking on a massive 30-foot pine stump like it's nothing. With its 54 horsepower Kubota engine and green teeth, this machine is a force to be reckoned with. And the best part? You can operate this powerhouse remotely with a convenient handheld control. No more struggling with heavy machinery in awkward positions. This lumberjack really knew his craft. His plunge cuts were perfect, understood how to set up the perfect drop zone. Watching experts at work is never boring. They make it look effortless. Hold on, everyone. Timber hauling is not for the faint-hearted. These fearless drivers handle massive loads, sometimes exceeding 60 tons, through some of the most grueling terrains imaginable. Their laser-sharp focus and expertise deserve all the respect. They ensure the safe and efficient transport of critical resources. If you prefer simplicity and maximum efficiency, this device will undoubtedly satisfy you. Its optimized design for stump removal makes it a must-have for the job. Watch the video to see its incredible effectiveness. This guy has some insane chainsaw skills. He makes it look effortless, but you know it takes years of practice to master this. It's so inspiring to see someone so dedicated to their craft. We all want to leave behind a better world for future generations. The Rizitech 100 Takas makes that dream possible. With every tree it plants, you take a step toward a greener planet. Make an impact you can be proud of. Choose the TK200. Meet the John Deere 295 for D, where raw power meets pinpoint precision. 271 horsepower engine, Timbermatic automation, rugged build and unmatched durability, reduced fatigue, increased productivity. The numbers don't lie. This is forestry's future engineered to perfection. Oh my gosh, I think Lady Luck was working overtime here. Yeah, you gotta pour cut them one. Sometimes you need a crane that does it all. Maneuver tight spaces, handle heavy loads, and operate with precision. That's where the NOE 170 for our shines. Picture this, 15.5 tons of lifting power packed into a compact frame. Just 5.73 meters long and 0.55 meters wide. And with the Epsilon crane, you're in total control, even in the toughest situations. Plus, those 2.8L to 620 PR tires, it's like all-wheel drive for a crane. It's a true game changer for getting the job done right. This guy is the ruler of the West Coast, but it's not just about his physical strength. His sheer skill is unmatched. He's got it all: strength, skill, and determination. This setup is giving major old-school vibes. These rural sawmills remind me of a time when things were made to endure. You can see the pride in every detail. This is the craftsmanship that built a nation. It's amazing to see it still thriving today. Respect. For a moment there, I thought the truck was going to tip over, but no, everything stayed under control. Talk about top-notch truck driving skills. How is this tractor still running after all this time? It's the perfect combination of durable engineering and skilled hands. This Altec TT for proves that age is just a number. It was an ideal day for logging, but a tough one for a particular lumberjack. Nevertheless, he had a fascinating tree felling task and witnessed an extraordinary tree flipping display. Embark on an exciting adventure as we unveil the process of transforming majestic conifers into incredible plywood sheets. These giant logs, stripped bare, are about to be magically turned into thin, beautiful veneer sheets by an amazing machine. These sheets are pampered, then carefully dried, inspected for imperfections, and perfected to the finest detail. The entire process is fully automated, requiring just one operator to oversee it all. Isn't that incredible? I doubt I could capture a more striking scene than this. A truck loaded with timber, navigating through tough, frozen terrain. This is definitely a sight worth witnessing today. All right, so here we have the Cat 550 and 574. And let's face it, they're absolute monsters. The harvester's leveling system is incredibly smooth, and the forwarder powers through anything with ease. But wait, something feels a bit off. Those high stumps, that's money left behind. Maybe the operator could use a little coaching, or perhaps there's some strategy we're not seeing here. On maximizing yield, let's dig deeper into this mystery. Introducing a groundbreaking land clearing method, the anchor chain and bulldozer technique. This innovative approach harnesses the combined force of two bulldozers to clear vast areas efficiently. It's faster, safer, and more eco-friendly. Say goodbye to tedious labor and harmful chemicals. With this technique, land is cleared quickly and safely, ready for its next use. The Taffman 164, more like Taffman Unstoppable, a true force of nature in forestry work. That's unbelievable. That tree looks like it's straight out of a nightmare. The way it leans, the uneven ground. He must be exceptionally skilled and fearless to take on a job like this. I'm genuinely impressed. Wow, I'm blown away by the bulldozer operator. His skills and steady nerves are incredible. The composure he shows in this chaotic setting is nothing short of amazing. Ever seen a machine tame the wilderness like a legend? That's the Ecolog 590D for you, paired with its companion, the Tesla 8RH, which handles wood like an artist. Together, they form the ultimate duo, maximizing efficiency and minimizing fuel consumption. The 590D carries a hefty price tag, ranging from $79,474 to $292,507, while the 28RH. Wow, this is intense. You can feel the tension in the air. That tree looks like it could fall at any moment. But these guys are experts, staying calm and focused under pressure. Let's send them our support. Imagine this, folks, a forest devastated by windstorms. And now picture the Ecolog 688, coming to save the day. It navigates through the chaos with ease, its crane acting like a helping hand, and its precision cutting head working like a surgeon's scalpel. But don't just imagine it, watch the video. See that burning tree? It's doomed, but it's also dangerous. Firefighters remove these fuel sources to cut off the fire's supply, like severing its lifeline. It's all about controlling the blaze. The DH system is a true powerhouse, working tirelessly like a clam's constant grinding. It makes clearing land a breeze. Its compatibility with a variety of excavators and carriers makes it an essential tool in any forestry project. I know what you're thinking. That tree didn't stand a chance. And you're right, the Cat 3 to 9E is an unstoppable powerhouse. But it's not just about brute force. It's about precision. It's about control. The result of years of innovative engineering. It's something we can all marvel at. You know, sometimes things seem lighter than they really are. Like a tree falling, it looks graceful, right? But that doesn't mean it's light. In fact, it can weigh a massive amount. It's a good reminder of a few situations. Oh my gosh, this skid steer looks like it's straight out of a post-apocalyptic movie. but it's a masterpiece of destruction. The fulcrum point magnifies its power, and those serrated edges cut through stumps. It might not win a beauty contest, but it's the undefeated champion of stump removal. Ever seen a lumber truck roll by? It's like a forest on wheels. But here's the kicker: without sturdy chains or ropes securing those logs together, it would be pure chaos. That's why securement is critical in timber transport. It keeps the logs in place and ensures safety for everyone on the road. In Washington State, two skilled loggers successfully felled a 10-foot Douglas fir. Their years of experience and precision enabled them to safely and efficiently accomplish this remarkable feat. Welcome to the heart of the Voyadina, where the beauty of nature meets human perseverance. In this mesmerizing video, experience the incredible journey of timber as it traverses a landscape that says, prepare to be inspired by the bravery and perseverance of those who work in harmony with this majestic terrain. A thrilling blend of awe and adrenaline, wouldn't you agree? Those massive logs teetering on a colossal truck, maneuvering a dangerous dance along winding, slick and narrow dirt roads. It's a sight that truly stirs the senses. Now this guy got himself into a tricky situation. Chainsaw stuck at the very top of the tree. That's a rough spot to be in. But get this, he used the tree itself to his advantage. Just nudged it enough to set his saw free. Talk about quick thinking. That's not something you see every day. Wow, that's impressive, but it's a gamble. Time to think long-term strategy. Efficiency isn't just about speed. It's about doing things sustainably. Sometimes, splitting the load into 2 trips is the smarter move. It reduces risks and protects the tools we rely on, ultimately saving both time and resources. That tree never stood a chance against this beast of a machine. It's like a wood chipper on steroids. But hey, that's the circle of life, right? Out with the old, in with the new. Debarking logs used to be grueling work, but the Meber SLH has revolutionized the process. This powerhouse handles logs up to 1.2 meters thick, removing bark with incredible precision. The adjustable heads guarantee perfection every time. It's the perfect combination of efficiency and precision. Remarkable. The spreading roots that cling to the ground are often harder to cut than the tree itself. Without the right tools, removing tree stumps is an absolute nightmare. Luckily, the JCB3CX is here to save the day. That tree stump just met its match. Wow, watching that massive route succumb to the cable's force is like witnessing an ancient battle between giants, a clear display of modern machinery's might against the raw power of nature. A split-second decision was the difference between life and disaster. This moment will have you on the edge of your seat. After their incredible journey, the logs are carefully offloaded at sprawling log yards. Here, they're sorted and processed. This massive crane is an engineering marvel. Its precision and agility are awe-inspiring. handling thousands of tons of timber every day. It's no wonder. It's the MVP of the lumber yard. When it comes to timber harvesting, in challenging environments, the Stumps Bear is a game changer. Its rugged design and powerful engine allow it to navigate steep terrain with ease. The combination of the C6 crane's precision and the H8 head's efficiency makes this machine a true workhorse. While the investment is significant at around $100,000, the Stumps Bear delivers exceptional value for operations seeking productivity and reliability. Felling a tree isn't just brute force. You have to assess carefully and always consider your surroundings. Carelessness could lead to disaster. Stay sharp. Now that's a man who knows his craft. Look at him handle that saw. Smooth as silk. He's got the skill, the power, and the confidence. This isn't a weekend hobby, folks. This is the real deal. Using the Cat 345BL for tree removal optimizes both power and efficiency. Its 345 horsepower engine and durable hydraulics allow quick removal of even large trees. The extended reach and powerful boom ensure precise felling in tight spaces. This means increased productivity and reduced risk, making it a smart choice for any project. Welcome to the heart of a snowy winter forest, where the John Deere 1110E is hard at work. Watch as our skilled operator maneuvers this powerful machine with incredible precision, effortlessly weaving through dense trees. The 1110E's advanced technology shines, ensuring efficient logging, even in these harsh conditions. Full package, no doubt. Oh no, this scene feels like a recipe for disaster, a flashback to every near miss you've ever seen. This compact powerhouse, the Cranman P25, is changing the game in thinning operations. It's compact, fuel efficient, and incredibly effective, handling trees up to 250 millimeters like it's no big deal. Watch it in action and see the future of sustainable forestry unfold. A textbook example of why. If you're unsure, leave it to the pros. Felling a big tree is one thing, but taking down a big tree on a hill, that's a whole different challenge. It demands careful planning, sharp observation, and exceptional skill to navigate such terrain. One wrong move could lead to serious consequences. But hey, it's easy, right? Just do what this guy does, and you'll be just fine, haha. From my experience, the Vermeer WC300XL is outstanding. With fuel prices at a premium, this chipper's fuel efficiency is a game changer. It tackles tough materials like A Pro, and its replaceable wear parts save you valuable time. A no-brainer investment for sure. Alright, listen up. This isn't your average log splitter. The Bell Super Splitter delivers a crushing 76 tons of splitting power, yes. It'll reduce even the hardest logs to kindling, and with its fancy wireless remote control, you can relax while it gets the job done. Say goodbye to aching backs and hello to easy splitting. Tree removal isn't something to take lightly. Having a proper plan protects both you and your budget. Whoa, this guy really dodged a bullet. Without him, this story could have ended very differently. Hey, get out of there. Get out of there now. dead or dying. Ash trees are some of the most dangerous to fell. Why? Because emerald ash borers tunnel into the wood, making it brittle, and this is one of the risks that comes with it. American Peterbilt trucks are more than vehicles. They're masterpieces of power and elegance. Their sheer beauty is captivating, and I'm in awe. Tree removal is no simple task. It requires both expertise and the right equipment. Lack of proper preparation can lead to severe injuries or significant property damage. Meet the Tatra Phoenix. Armed with its mighty V-plow, it's built for winter, plowing through snow like an icebreaker. It's a true example of human innovation, proving we can rise to any natural challenge. While cutting a 100-year-old ash tree, these folks discovered an unexpected surprise. I can't figure out what it is. Any ideas? Let me know in the comments below. Now that's a plot twist. One moment, the LKT81 turbo's in full control. The next, it's hanging by a thread. Mother Nature sure has a sense of humor. Stay alert out there. Complacency kills. The Valtra N15 Free Active Harvester, combined with the Nisla 3-5H harvester head, is the perfect solution for small to medium scale. The setup delivers outstanding performance across tough terrains and under challenging weather conditions, even for the most demanding operators. Conquer the wilderness, truckers, masters of their rigs, hauling massive loads of timber through nature's challenges. It's not just raw power, it's grit. It's a test of determination. And if you're wondering how to transport logs in snowy conditions, the BM1052 with its tracks has you covered. We'll solve all your questions. Chainsaw-wielding heroes taking on towering trees. Think of them as the modern-day sequel to Don Quixote and his epic windmills. Originally built for municipal tasks, this PV3S truck has found new life, helping deliver firewood to homes. Surprisingly, it's still as durable as ever. Its unrelenting service, a true testament to timeless design and value. Conquer any terrain, dominate every challenge. The Kronos 144, WDM and 8020L crane are redefining possibilities. Steep slopes, child's play. Heavy loads, bring it on. Focus on the task and let Kronos do the heavy lifting. Speechless, that's the only way to describe it. The Volvo FH16650. A true titan battling through a blizzard without flinching. This isn't just a truck in the snow. It's a masterpiece of resistance, a testament to human determination against nature. Absolutely breathtaking, utter perfection. Whoa, an 87 Peterbilt 359. This is iconic, a true American classic built to endure. 425 horsepower under the hood, ready to hit the road. Old Smoky Jerk, that name couldn't be more fitting. The Caterpillar D8 dozer, a powerhouse of raw strength. But attach a homemade stump splitter? Mind-blowing. This DIY innovation channels the D8's might, splitting even the toughest stumps into pieces. Final step, bulldoze the remains out of the way. Pure, unfiltered power. Heart-stopping moment. That was a close call. A near brush with disaster. Thank goodness his safety gear came through. These moments are unpredictable. Hidden dangers waiting to strike. Thank you for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to watch our video all the way to the end. Your support means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. By subscribing to Heavy Tech Zone, you'll never miss out on our latest episodes and exciting updates. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and thank you for being a part of our journey.